How to use Okx. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Okx app. Now I'll just be showing you the beginner's guide, so I'll keep it short and sweet and simple. So basically you can open up the application. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Once you have installed it, you can simply open it up and log in using your Google account. All you have to do is you'll have to choose your Google account and you'll be good to go. Now once here, you'll be on this page right here once you're logged in. If you tap on the wallet option at the top right corner, you'll be headed over to the Okx wallet tab. Now first on the exchange is where you'll be able to buy and sell and trade. So if you tap on the horizontal icon, the dots that you can see at the top left corner of your screen, you can see under manage assets, you'll be able to buy assets, you'll be able to sell assets, you'll see deposit option, you'll see withdraw option, and you can see the P2P trading option. So if you want to buy crypto, you can head over to the buy section. In my case, I haven't verified my identity, but if you want to verify, you'll have to verify. In order to make any purchases and get access to trading, you'll have to verify your ID. So you'll need to provide ID and selfie verification and personal information. So I won't be verifying now, so I'll just be guiding you through. Now if you want support, you'll get it on the shortcuts and you can get the demo trading as well. But here now, if you wish to transfer a crypto from your Okx exchange to Okx wallet, then all you'll have to do is head over to the wallet tab. Once on wallet, you'll get a page like this where you'll be able to see send and receive. You'll be able to send and receive from here. So you want to simply tap on receive here. And then under select crypto, you can see their option that says withdraw crypto from your exchange account. So you want to tap on it. Now remember, I haven't verified my ID, so I'm unable to do so. But once you have verified it, you'll be able to do so. And then you'll have to select the crypto. Your address will be auto-filled, and then you'll have to select the amount and then go ahead to the prompts and confirm it. Now similarly on the Okx exchange, if you wish to deposit, you want to simply head over to assets tab, and there you'll be able to deposit funds in order to make purchases. So this is the way that you can use the Okx app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.